Okay, so good morning ladies and gentlemen. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ferdi Kurniawan. I'm from class 4B at University of PGRI Pontianak at the major of English study program. So, listen, okay. Have you ever struggled alone with a difficult problem wishing you had someone to discuss it with? So, today I stand firmly to one motion, okay. To the propose that group work is better than individual work. So, listen. Let me quickly define our terms, okay. So, group work means two or more people collaborating toward a common goal. Individual work Instead, individual work means doing everything alone. Why does this matter? Because how we learn and work today shapes how we succeed tomorrow. So, my first argument is group work builds communication skills that individual work never can. So, listen. When you work in a group, you have to explain your ideas, listen to others, ask questions, and give feedback. These are exactly the skill employers look for, and the skills that help you make friends, resolve conflicts, and lead teams. Maybe you can think about it as a classroom discussion. Okay, so a student working alone just reads and writes silently, but a student in a group practices speaking, clarifying, and persuading. The students become more confident not just in school but in life. My second argument is group work sharpens critical thinking. Like, no matter how smart you are, you have blind spots, okay? In a group, different people bring different perspective. One person sees a logical flaw, another remembers a fact you forgot, and a third suggests a creative solution, and etc. Like research, so research when we see a research, okay, sorry, research shows that groups solve complex problems faster and with fewer errors than the best individual in the group. Why? Because they challenge each other. Like, listen, that healthy disagreement forces everyone to think deeper. Okay, working alone, you might stay stuck in your own wrong answer forever. Now, next, maybe some people will say that what about free riders? What about conflicts? Okay, so that's a fair concern, but it's not a reason to abandon group work. It's a reason to do group work properly. Like, teach students how to define roles, set deadlines, and give peer feedback. In the real world, you cannot just quit every time a teammate is lazy, okay? So you learn to manage it. That's a valuable skill too. And so, let's be honest, individual work has its own problems: burnout, loneliness, and no one to correct your mistakes. Like, group work, even with occasional challenges, prepares you for reality better than sitting alone ever will. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, group, okay, for the last thing I will say, okay, so ladies and gentlemen, group work is not just about finishing tasks. It's about okay, sorry. It's about learning to listen, to think, and to grow with others. It builds communication, deepens critical thinking, and share the loads. The future belongs to those who can collaborate. Okay, so don't face it alone. Choose group work. Thank you.